keep me in your thoughts. Remember me, and we'll see each other again. No matter what happens to me, even if I vanish from this world. Promise me, Lightning. Promise you'll remember me. This is goodbye.
We live to make the impossible possible. That is our focus.
What happens when your actions end up ruining someone's life?
With nothing to fight for, I might as well be dead.
Why did I even try to run? What was waiting wasn't something I could change.
Do you really think your life is worth more than the lives of millions of Cocoon citizens?